Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to turn off YouTube Short. So if you don't like YouTube Short, I will give you a trick to turn this off from your YouTube application. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube mobile application. When you scroll up right here, you will see YouTube Shorts. Maybe you don't like it, so simply you have to click on the three dot icon right here and click on the not interested. Do it for all one by one. Once you will do it, YouTube Shorts will be disappear from here, and when I scroll from here, you can see there is no YouTube Short option anymore. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.